We got a dehumidifier called Midea. Hopefully this thing don't play around and just crack a bunch of jokes all day. But I'm gonna plug it up. Let's see. Let's see what we're looking like. So I want to see how much it takes out of the air, because this room right here keeps. Let's see here. Let's go on power. Oops. Power. Medium. Constant draw. It's blowing out. Let's see. I got air conditioning. I got a timer. Comfort. Dryer. I don't know what that means. Let's try. Full 60. As you can see, there's a Bluetooth option, which I will see about whatever. But why does it? It's kind of weird for me. How does it blow out like an AC? Comfort. I'm assuming it's correct. I don't know, we'll see. So it's 24 hours, 22 pints. By tomorrow, we will see what it looks like.